Ever wondered why your gym routine isn't giving you the results you expect? It might not be your effort, it could be the way you're using the machines. Most people misuse gym equipment without even knowing it, sabotaging their own progress. Today, we're revealing the top 10 gym machines that are commonly used the wrong way, and more importantly, how to fix those mistakes for better gains, fewer injuries, and smarter workouts. So if you're tired of wasting time and want to work out like a pro, this is the video for you. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and join our fitness-savvy community. 1. The leg press trap. Pushing with your toes instead of your heels may feel natural, but it puts dangerous pressure on your knees and shifts the focus away from your glutes and hamstrings. Leaning forward or locking your knees at the top is a recipe for injury. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart, your back is flat against the pad, and your movements are smooth. This ensures the resistance is shared equally across the right muscle groups. When corrected, the leg press becomes a powerful tool for lower body development. Avoid placing your feet too low on the platform to protect your joints. Focus on controlled reps rather than heavy weights. Keep your core engaged and avoid bouncing. Don't let your ego load the machine. Proper form always wins. 2. The lat pull-down mistake. Pulling the bar behind your neck may look intense, but it's actually straining your shoulders and cervical spine. The safest and most effective method is to pull the bar down in front of your chest. Keep your elbows close and retract your shoulder blades as you pull. Sit tall, grip just wider than your shoulders, and avoid leaning too far back. Don't use momentum, let your muscles do the work. Maintain a steady tempo and a strong posture throughout the set. Adjust the thigh pad so you're stable and locked in place. Engage your lats deliberately, don't just move the bar up and down. This small correction boosts back strength and reduces joint stress. Don't ignore the warning signs your shoulders give you. Train smart, not just hard. 3. The leg curl error. Many people rush through leg curls with too much weight, using their hips to cheat and lifting their butt off the pad. This robs your hamstrings of the full contraction they need. Make sure the machine is adjusted to your height so your knees align with the axis. Perform each representative slowly, focusing on squeezing your hamstrings through the full range of motion. Control the release phase as much as the lift. Keep your core tight and hips pressed down at all times. Avoid hyperextending at the end of each representative. Use moderate weight with perfect form to see real improvements. If your calves are cramping, check your foot position. Pause briefly at the peak for maximum engagement. A simple tweak makes all the difference. 4. The chest press confusion. Sitting too high or too low on the chest press machine affects your muscle engagement and may target your shoulders more than your chest. Your hand grips should align with the middle of your chest, and your elbows should form a 90-degree angle when pressing. Avoid locking your arms out at the top. Instead, keep a slight bend to maintain tension. Don't rush the movement, use a controlled push and return. Focus on mind-muscle connection by intentionally squeezing your chest at the top. Adjust the seat before you start, not during the set. Don't lift your head off the backrest while pressing. Always maintain a neutral spine for better support. Precision builds strength, not speed. 5. The shoulder press slip-up. Gripping too wide and flaring your elbows too far out during the shoulder press strains your rotator cuff. Sit with the backrest upright and adjust the seat so the handles start just below shoulder height. Press up in a straight line and avoid letting your elbows drop too low. A neutral grip is safer and often more effective for muscle engagement. Keep your movements vertical, not diagonal. Maintain a strong core to avoid arching your back. Don't let momentum or gravity take over. Focus on a steady upward motion with deliberate control. Lower the weight gradually to avoid joint stress. Press like you're lifting with purpose. Your shoulders will thank you. 6. The seated row slip. Pulling the handles too far back or using your lower back to yank the weight shifts the focus from your lats to areas you don't want to strain. Sit upright and slightly lean forward to start. Pull the handles toward your lower ribs, not your neck. Keep your elbows close and avoid letting your shoulders shrug. Squeeze your shoulder blades at the end of the pull. Don't lean all the way back or use your spine as leverage. Let your arms extend fully before each representative. Engage your core to stabilize your form. Avoid jerky, rapid reps and instead pull like you're rowing a boat through resistance. Smooth, controlled, and powerful reps build real strength. 7. The A-flat crunch machine myth. The ab crunch machine is often misused with jerky, fast reps and overloading the weight. This turns a core workout into a momentum-driven flop. Adjust the seat so your upper chest is in contact with the pad and your feet are anchored securely. Keep your neck relaxed and avoid tucking your chin excessively. Move slowly with a tight core and exhale during each crunch. Don't pull with your arms or let the weight slam back. Use a lighter weight and really focus on contracting your abs. A small movement done right is more effective than big motions done wrong. Crunch with purpose and control every inch. 8. The Smith machine squat flaw. The fixed path of the Smith machine can encourage poor form if you're not aligned correctly. Many users place their feet too far forward or squat with their knees shooting over their toes. Step into the bar, position your feet slightly ahead of your hips, and keep your back neutral. Descend as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your knees in line with your toes. Avoid locking your knees at the top of each representative. Engage your glutes and hamstrings throughout the lift. Keep your core tight and don't let the bar do the work for you. Focus on depth and precision rather than loading too much weight. Done right, it's a great tool. Done wrong, it's risky. 9. The pec deck mistake. Swinging your arms or letting your elbows drop during pec deck flies minimizes chest engagement and strains your shoulders. Set the seat height so your arms are in line with your chest. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and bring the handles together with a slow squeeze. Pause at the center and feel your pecs contract. Don't let the weight slam back or rely on speed. Focus on keeping your form tight throughout. Avoid overextending your arms behind your body. Your shoulders should stay stable and retracted. Control both the inward and outward phase. Quality reps sculpt your chest better than quick ones. 10. The calf raise mistake. Calf raises are often rushed with partial reps that barely engage the muscles. Stand tall, let your heels drop fully below the platform, and then rise up with control. Pause at the top to squeeze your calves and lower slowly. Don't bounce or rush through sets. Use a full range of motion every time. Keep your knees slightly bent and your back straight. Avoid tilting forward or using your upper body to generate force. If you're seated, adjust the pad to rest snugly on your thighs. The goal isn't speed, it's time under tension. Train your calves like any other muscle with focus and intent. Now that you know the truth about these commonly misused gym machines, it's time to train smarter, not just harder. Implementing these fixes can protect your joints, enhance your muscle activation, and help you break through frustrating plateaus. Remember, results don't just come from lifting heavier, they come from lifting better. So take these tips with you to the gym, transform your routine, and watch your progress skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become part of our growing fitness community. More expert advice and practical tips are just around the corner.